In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google, tap on Google Password Manager, and select the password that you wish to edit. Then enter your current login method, select Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!